In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Airtable as CRM. So let's get started. So actually, you could use Airtable in here to create a CRM by going here into their homepage. And actually, you'd be able to build right away right here because you'll be utilizing an AI. And all you have to do is to tell this AI to build you a CRM with all of the details needed. So in my case, I actually just pasted this right here from ChatGPT. So basically, I inputted my details into ChatGPT and asked it to create me a prompt to be pasted right here into Airtable. That would include all of the details of my company. So it would include, as you can see, the following tables, the contacts, companies, and so on. You could also do it this way from ChatGPT, or you could build your own prompt in here from scratch, fully customizable into your own taste or needs. And I suggest that you do it in this format right here so that the AI would be able to understand it easily. So basically in here, there's a prompt right here: create a simple CRM database for a company called, which is our company name. And then this little background about our company, just so that the AI would be able to understand how it should look like, or maybe add some finishing touch that would be appropriate to the background or our company. And then here are the details that I would need, like the following tables in the CRM: the contacts, companies, tutors, the interactions, because we are a tutoring company, so we need tutors, deals, task, and many more right here. And I also requested to have sample data just so that we would be able to see it with some data intact. And next, you could also import spreadsheets if you'd want to. So you could also directly import right here as the AI would create your CRM. And now, once you are done with your prompt, you can now click here on Build It. Another option that you have is that you also have these templates in here that you could create using Airtable. So yeah, these are also another option for you to be able to get started with a CRM here in Airtable. But yeah, you'd have to find a template that is CRM based. Click here on Build It and it will now start building. It's not thinking, so we just need to wait for it to finish building our CRM just from our prompt. Alright, so now it has now finished creating our CRM for us just from our prompt alone. And from here, I think I'm actually satisfied because it has satisfied all of the requirements that I have right here. Like for example, here in the people right here. So we have the contacts directory, and then we should see that right here in the contacts. So we have the full name right here, full name, and then the email, the phone, and then the status, and then the role, and so on. So we have it all right here. So yeah, I really like it. And now, if you would want some changes, you can simply ask AI to change anything right here, apply some updates or whatsoever that it is that you'd need. And you could also go here into automations, and then you could set up automation for the CRM, the data. You could import it right here. You'd be able to see the contacts, the deals, the task. As you can see, as we have just instructed right here, we now have the task, and then the fields are the task name, the due date, assigned to, status, link deal, and link contact. As you can see, it is very accurate. So that is what I like about it. And yeah, once you are now ready to launch this, you can just simply click here on launch, and then you'd now be able to publish the app. And now you have your own CRM by using Airtable. You could also click here on share if you would want a team member to join you in creating or editing the CRM that you have just made. So yeah, this is basically it on everything you need to know here on Airtable in creating or using it to create a CRM. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.